Buongiorno and welcome to a weekend of my life in Rome. This is my first vlog for YouTube and I wanted to take you guys around with me because I get a lot of questions about what living in Rome is actually like. So I thought, why not take you around with me for the weekend? I thought that would probably be more exciting than during the week where I am pretty much just working here from my apartment or at the gym or walking my dog. So today it is Saturday, it is February 15th. And last night, me and Andrea just had dinner at home for San Valentino, which was super cute. He cooked me a lovely dinner and then I bought us a little cake and we just had a nice bottle of rosé and it was a really nice night. Today, I am going to meet one of my friends for lunch in Trastevere, and because I didn't go to the gym this morning, I told myself that I was just gonna walk a lot of steps. So I am not gonna take my scooter and I'm going to walk all the way there. I will show you guys what I get up to along the way and all of the beautiful sights of Rome as we go. So let's go. Andiamo.
Do you want to tweet?
That at St. Peter's Square, you used to be able to enter over here as well as on this side over here, but now because of the Vatican Jubilee, they have things switched up a little bit. So now you can only enter on, if you're looking at the basilica, the left side to get into the square. With my friend, we went walking around and we went to this store, Emporio Centrale, and I wanted to show you guys what I got. Spent $37.50. So this I'm super excited about because I've been wanting a boar bristle brush for a long time, and everything in the store is made in Italy and they have like little tags where it tells you where it was made. And so this was 32 euros and it is made in Treviso, and I want to use it now because it was windy. I just took spritz on a walk and it's so cute and small. And boar bristle brushes are supposed to be really good for your hair because they will distribute the oils. This is before, this is after. These are the candlesticks and they're so cute, and I got in Marrakesh, I got these candle holders, so I thought, oh my god, I was right, it's so cute. And then they're like basically the same. They're just like slightly, one is like shorter. I like that they're kind of not perfect. And I think it looks really, really cute. Buongiorno! Happy Sunday, everybody. Just got back from the gym and the grocery store. Go me. Does anyone else feel just morally superior when they work out in the morning on the weekend? And that's on not going out and being asleep by 10:30. You can be up and at the gym by 9. So we are having my old roommate and her boyfriend over for lunch because I have not seen her in so long. So let me show you what I got from the grocery store. It was a little bit of an expensive haul because I bought booze. Booze always skyrockets the price. Also, the grocery store in my neighborhood is just, it's statistically more expensive than every other grocery store, but I don't care. I'd rather just pay a little bit more and be able to walk there. Starting off with booze, got a bottle of Valpolicella. This is like probably one of my favorite types of red wine. And then we're also going to be making spritz, and we are out of Aperol, so I got Aperol and Prosecco. And then I also got soda water in Aperol spritz. Got Got some bread, rosmarino, got 6 eggs, 2 of the 5% Greek yogurts, prosciutto di norcia, potatoes, pomodoro passata. This is basically like cooked tomatoes, not sauce, because you do have to still season this. This is like just the tomatoes cooked down. So now I need to organize all of this, get my house in order because I have things everywhere. I need to shower and wash my hair. I was hoping I wouldn't need to. Maybe I actually won't. Maybe I'll just wear it up today because I really don't feel like washing it. I'd rather wash it tomorrow. Get my house in order to host a pranzo di domenica, a Sunday lunch. Oh, the menu, I forgot to mention, obviously Andrea is cooking. Andrea is the cook in this family, but he is making Amatriciana, which is one of Rome's 4 most popular pastas. It is the one made with tomato, and guanciale, which is pork cheek. So good. And then I believe he said he's also making sausage and some sort of vegetable. And then for dessert, we are going to have fresh whipped cream and strawberries. So it's gonna be a delicious feast. But before that, I need to get my shit together. So let's do that now.
Without any other fat, so no butter, no olive oil, just the guanciale.